If you've ever researched hair transplantation on your own, you might have noticed the terms FUT or FUE. The F stands for follicular, the U stands for unit, and the T stands for transplantation, or you may see an E standing for extraction. The more traditional or old-fashioned technique is follicular unit transplantation, or FUT. This is when the doctor would remove an actual strip of hair and then sew the area together so you end up with a scar in the back of your head. Then the hair strip is taken to the back table, each individual hair is removed, and then it's put back into where you want the hair to be placed. Today, the more modern technique, and my preferred way of doing this in my office, is follicular unit extraction. Here, each individual follicle is removed from the back of the head machine. The hair is then split into 1, 2, or 3 hair units, and then those hairs are then placed into the right area depending on the density that you're trying to achieve. In the donor site, because each individual follicle is removed with a 1mm punch, the holes contract and close within a couple days, and there's no visible scar in the back of your head. We also make sure that we take out each follicle in a dispersed and even gradient so that the back of your hair has a normal fade if you were to shave it short. So overall, I do recommend FUE over FUT. If you're interested in hearing more about this type of hair transplantation, feel free to DM me or give us a call.